For math games today, we are going to revisit our three-dimensional shapes and we're going to see how they move. So you'll need to go around your house, find what shape is this? It's like a triangle, but it's circular on the bottom. It's a cone. Cones are circles on the bottom with a point at the top. This is a rectangular prism. It has 6 rectangular sides. I have a cylinder that has 2 circles circle on each side, and this plane that goes all the way around, a sphere, and a cube. And we are going to see which of these 3D shapes roll and which shapes slide. Do you have any predictions? Do you think a cone will roll or slide? What about a rectangular prism? Will it roll or slide? Will a cylinder roll or slide? What about a sphere? How about a cube? So here's what you're going to do. I am going to start with, which one should I do first? I think I'm going to do the cylinder, and then I'm going to let you guys do the rest. Okay? Sound like a plan? All right, so let's start with the cylinder. Do you think it's going to roll or slide on, if I put it like this, is it going to roll or slide? All right, let's find out. All right, I'm going to give it a little push and see what happens. First, I'm going to do it on this side that goes around and around, and then I'm going to try it on this side. So when I have it like this, do you think it will roll or slide? It rolls. Now what if I put it on this flat surface, the circle shaped, this is called the face. What if I put it on the face? Do you think it will roll or slide when I push it? Let's see. It slid. I had to push a little harder to get it to move, but it's... After you've experimented and tried moving your objects on a flat surface, why don't you see what happens when you do it on a ramp? I've used a tray that I have in my house and kind of made it like a slide inside by propping it up on the couch. But if you have a slide outside, maybe in your backyard, you have a play structure that has a slide on it, you could go outside and try this on your slide. And we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to pick one object at a time to see if it slides or rolls down the ramp. Also, pay attention to see which ones move faster and which ones move slower. So I'm going to try different objects today. I'm going to try the cube. I'm just going to put it at the top and see what happens. Does it slide or roll? It slid. Did it go fast or slow? It went pretty fast. Let's try it one more time. Yep. And what I'm noticing is it stays on the same flat side from the top all the way down to the bottom. It just glides right down. All right, pre-K, it's your turn to find some objects and to do these movement experiments with it. Experiment on a flat surface, experiment on a ramp surface or a slide, and tell us how these objects move. Do they roll? Do they slide? Do they do the same thing when it's flat and on a ramp, or do they do different things? Have fun experimenting.